You may have been told that swollen joints, weak muscles, and stiff legs are just part of getting older. But what if that's not entirely true? What if the answer to feeling strong again lies not in a medicine bottle, but right in your kitchen? That's the surprising truth about collagen, a protein so powerful it's been called the body's scaffolding. And yet very few people, especially seniors, realize how simple it can be to restore it with real food. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It holds your bones, muscles, skin, ligaments, and tendons together like a net made of steel and silk. It provides elasticity, strength, and structure. But here's the catch. Your body's ability to make collagen declines with age. By the time you reach your 60s or 70s, you may be producing only a small fraction of what you once did. That decline is a major reason why your joints ache, your legs swell, and your muscles take longer to heal. So in this video, you will discover 8 collagen-rich foods that can strengthen your muscles, legs, and joints, helping to reduce swelling and regain mobility naturally. 1. Eggs. Let's begin with one of the most common but overlooked collagen supporters, eggs. You may eat eggs for breakfast without realizing they're a collagen goldmine. While egg whites are especially rich in proline, an amino acid essential to collagen production, the yolks contain nutrients like biotin, which support skin and joint health. This makes eggs a perfect food for seniors trying to rebuild their muscle tone and reduce joint discomfort. They also contain sulfur, which is another crucial element involved in collagen formation. Many seniors unknowingly suffer from sulfur deficiency due to years of processed food consumption. Including eggs in your diet, therefore, isn't just a matter of protein, it's a matter of connective tissue survival. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they deliver a massive benefit when it comes to reducing inflammation and helping the body produce more collagen. These seeds are loaded with zinc, a mineral critical to activating the enzymes your body uses to make collagen. Without enough zinc, your collagen production can't even begin. Zinc also plays a central role in tissue repair, immune defense, and reducing oxidative stress, which are all important for seniors who often experience chronic low-grade inflammation. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium as well, another mineral that supports muscle relaxation and blood flow, 2 things that can help reduce swelling in the lower legs. 3. Bones in canned salmon. If you've ever avoided canned salmon with bones, it's time to reconsider. The bones in canned salmon are not only soft and edible, but they're also packed with collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and other trace minerals essential for joint and bone health. This is especially important for older adults, as bones become more fragile and joints lose their cushioning over time. Eating the bones, yes, really, helps replenish the collagen and minerals needed to protect these structures. Canned salmon also brings the additional benefit of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation throughout the body. These healthy fats lubricate joints, reduce stiffness, and can relieve swelling that leaves older adults feeling achy and immobile. Additionally, the vitamin D in salmon helps the body absorb calcium effectively, further strengthening bones and contributing to balance and strength. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits may not contain collagen directly, but they provide one of the most vital tools your body needs to create it, vitamin C. Without vitamin C, the body cannot synthesize collagen. This essential antioxidant also helps neutralize free radicals that damage connective tissue and cause inflammation in joints. Seniors who consume citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits regularly may experience faster healing from injury, firmer skin, and better joint lubrication. The added bonus: vitamin C also strengthens blood vessels, which can help reduce varicose veins and improve circulation in swollen legs and feet. Whether it's fresh squeezed lemon water in the morning, a slice of orange after lunch, or lime juice in a salad dressing, citrus fruits are the unsung heroes of the collagen restoration process. 5. Organ meats. Organ meats may not be everyone's favorite topic, but they are one of the most nutrient-dense sources of collagen building blocks in nature. Foods like liver, heart, and kidney provide not only collagen-related amino acids like glycine and proline, but also vitamins A, B12, iron, and copper, all of which are essential for collagen synthesis and the maintenance of connective tissues. Seniors in particular often become deficient in these nutrients due to changing appetites or poor absorption. Organ meats also support the production of elastin, another protein that works with collagen to maintain tissue flexibility. A flexible tendon or ligament is less likely to tear or swell, especially under the daily strain of walking, bending, or climbing stairs. In addition, organ meats promote better circulation, which helps transport oxygen and nutrients to tired muscles and inflamed joints. For those unsure of how to include organ meats in their diet, there are gentler ways to start. 6. Chicken breast. When people think of chicken breast, they usually think of lean protein. But what they often overlook is that chicken, especially when cooked with skin or bones, is a rich source of connective tissue. These tissues contain collagen, and when you cook them slowly, that collagen becomes more available for absorption. Even skinless chicken breasts, though not as collagen-rich as thighs or drumsticks with skin, still offers essential amino acids that the body uses to assemble its own collagen. For seniors looking to support their muscle mass while fighting off inflammation, chicken breast is one of the most practical choices. It's easy to digest, widely available, and low in fat, which makes it ideal for anyone watching their cholesterol or dealing with digestive issues. Cook it in broth, shred it into soups, or marinate and bake it with herbs and citrus for an extra vitamin C kick. 7. Gelatin. Gelatin is essentially pre-digested collagen. It's made by slowly boiling animal bones and connective tissue to extract the gelatinous substance that gives broths their bounce and jiggly desserts their shape. For seniors, this is one of the easiest ways to consume collagen because gelatin is broken down and ready for absorption. Once in your system, it goes to work helping rebuild cartilage, reduce joint pain, and even repair the lining of the digestive tract, which can improve overall nutrient absorption and lower systemic inflammation. Many elderly individuals deal with leaky gut or impaired digestion, which can exacerbate inflammation and swelling in other parts of the body, including the joints. By healing the gut lining, gelatin indirectly reduces the immune triggers that cause swelling. There's also something deeply comforting about gelatin-rich broths and soups, especially when they're warm, savory, and made from real ingredients. 8. Beef tendons. Beef tendons might sound like a stretch, but in traditional medicine and cuisine, they've long been used to support joint health and mobility. Tendons are almost pure collagen, particularly the type 1 collagen that forms the structure of skin, ligaments, and bones. When slow cooked, beef tendons become tender and digestible, making them a potent source of collagen in its most natural form. For aging joints, the collagen from tendons helps reinforce connective tissues, improve flexibility, and reduce inflammation in areas where cartilage has thinned. They also help strengthen the ligaments that stabilize your knees, hips, and shoulders. Common trouble spots for seniors. If you've ever experienced swelling around these joints after a walk, or even just standing for too long, beef tendons might be the unexpected remedy you've been missing. These foods are not exotic or expensive. In fact, they're humble, traditional, and often forgotten in modern diets. By incorporating them into your meals regularly, you'll not only support your joints and muscles, you'll begin to feel stronger, lighter, and more mobile than you have in years. So the next time you notice your knees are puffy or your ankles feel stiff, remember, you don't have to accept swelling as a permanent part of life. You can fight back. You can say goodbye to swelling and hello to vibrant movement and strength. If this video helped you, imagine what our next one will do. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve.